Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can insert frames in your text documents on LibreOffice Writer. So let us dive into this. So let me navigate to that example page here and skip to the next page. So you can use these frames, for example, as a page border visually, or to insert text into it, or shapes, for example. So to do that, left click into the given document, click into insert here at the top and navigate to frame. Here, select frame. After that, start by customizing your frame's position and size. You will see the preview here to the right. For example, you may select an anchor like page or character. You may select a height here, a width, and so on and so forth. The position, center, left, right. I will leave it like that. You can change all of that if you like. So if you click into OK, it will look like that. Now, of course, you may use these handles here to resize it or to position it, for example, on your text. And if you'd like to convert it into a page border, resize it according to your liking, and that's it. And now, for example, guys, you may click into it and fill it with here to the right, for example, with background, make it transparent, and so on and so forth. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.